going to do some jumping jacks. Ready? And now front, back, front. Side to side. You can punch your, you can do some punches to the side as you're doing this. Twist. And now that we're warmed up, we'll do some dynamic stretching. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go opposite hand, opposite leg. So I'm going to kick my left leg up and reach with my right arm. Ready? Just 10. 1. Step, step, step. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. I'm going to bring my leg up, knee to my chest, up and around. Ready? 10. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Stretch for my quads, for our quads. Knees together, let's reach up. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay. Just twist. I'm going to take my feet together and just rotate. Arms together like this. Just rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And shoulder rotations. Just hands by my shoulders. I'm going to go backwards. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same thing, we're going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just wrist, rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands on my side, chest up, chin slightly tucked in. I'm going to rotate my neck. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just rotations in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one, just back. 1, 2,